Hey everybody, Albert Flynn DeSilver here, and I am here to celebrate the Insight Timer Daily Insight. Are you guys on the Insight Timer app? It's fabulous. It's an amazing app that has 7 million users, something like that. I'm one of, I think, 3,000 teachers or something. I have a number of free meditations that I wanted to let you know about. They're all on creativity and mindfulness, how to access deeper levels of creativity. Plus, I have a brand new course called Fostering True Creativity. Can you see that? It looks a little bit backwards and upside down from here, but hopefully you'll be able to see that. If you go to insighttimer.com/Albert Flynn DeSilver, you can go to my little page there and access the free meditations. And if you're interested in the Fostering True Creativity course, you can download that. I think it's like $5 or something. And what it is it's a 10-session audio course. It's really simple to follow along to. You can do it as a 10-week thing, or you can listen to it all at once, however you like to listen. It's very customized. People have been loving it. We have 560 something students and counting, and I'd love to offer that to you for just to go check it out. You can listen to a little bit of a sample there, and there's hundreds of reviews. People seem to really be enjoying it. And this is for you if you're struggling with creativity, if you feel disconnected from your creative genius that is inherent. This course will help you get back on track. And I've had actors really getting a lot out of this course. I've had writers, I've had painters who have commented, sculptors, musicians, all kinds of people coming together, reconnecting to their creativity. And it's hard in our culture to stay focused and to stay grounded. And that's what this course helps you do. So check it out. It's insighttimer.com/Albert Flynn DeSilver. That's my main page. You can access the free meditations and you can connect with Fostering True Creativity, which is the brand new course. And it's a low-cost course. You can check it out. You can experience a sample. And let me know what you think. I would love to hear more. Be well. Thank you so much for tuning in always. Till next time, live well, love well, and write well. And I look forward to connecting soon.